So now the floor of the building consists of 3000 tiles which are rhombus in shape and each of its diagonals are given. Diagonals 45 and 30 centimeter. Now find the area of this cost of polishing. So we put the polish to the floor now. We need to find out the cost of polishing at the rate of rupees 4 per meter square. So let us find out the tiles area now. You know that tiles it is in the rhombus shape. So you can write like this. Rhombus shape will be like this. Shape of the rhombus will be like this. So each tile will be in this shape and its diagonals are given. So diagonals lengths are like this. So one is 45. So let us take this is 45 centimeter and then this is 30 centimeter. So one is 45, another one is, so this length is diagonal 1. D1 is 45, then D2 is 30. So we have D1 and D2. So we call this as D1 and this one as D2. So now this type of tiles, how many tiles are laid like this? There are 3000 tiles. So now let us find out area of one tile. So area of one tile. You know the formula, half into D1 into D2. Okay, half into D1 into D2. So let us substitute this value. Half into, what is the value of D1 here? 45 into 30. Now divide this one. So 2 ones are, 2 15s are. So now multiply this. 45 into 15. 45 into 15. What is the value? So let us write here 675 centimeter square. Okay. Now, and we got the area in centimeter square. And look at this. And it is given in meter square. We have to find out this in meter square. Convert this into meter square. What you have to do this to convert this into meter square? We have 2 centimeters. Centimeter into centimeter. You know that 1 meter is equal to 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So you want to convert this. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by. See, 1 centimeter can be written as 1 by 100 meter. So here we have 2 times. Centimeter square means centimeter into centimeter. So therefore you divide this one by 100 into 100. 100 into 100. So it is in meter square. Now it is in meter square. So why I converted this into meter square? That is very important. Look at this. After finding the area, this cost of polishing while finding it is rupees 4 per meter square. So your answer should be in meter square. If you do it in centimeter square, you will not get the correct answer. So therefore, so you have to find out the answer in meter square. So we have converted this to centimeter square. Otherwise, before here itself you can convert. 45 you can write it as 0.45 or 30 you can write it as 0.30. So afterwards you can simply directly you will get this in the answer. Now, what is the answer here? Once you divide, there are 4 zeros in the denominator. So it becomes area will be equal to 0.4 digit should be there. 0.675 meter square. So look at this. There are 4 zeros in the denominator. 4 digits you go back and keep the decimal point. 1, 2, 3. Then put one more zero. Then decimal point. So now this is the area of one tile. So now area of the floor. So we have area of the floor. Okay, area of floor is equal to, we have 3000 tiles. So 3000 into area of one tile. So now 3000 into one tile area, it is 0.0675. Okay. So now if you multiply this one, so there are 3 zeros. 200 and look at this. We got after multiplication 3000 into 0.0675. You will get 202.5 meters square. So now cost of polishing is equal to, you have the rate is equal to rupees 4 per meter square. In the question itself it is given rupees 4 per meter square. Therefore you multiply this one 202.5 into 4. So it will be, what will be the answer? You multiply and tell me now. After multiplication 202.5 into 4, you will get the answer 810 rupees. The cost of polishing the floor is 810 rupees. Question is like this. Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. So if the person Mohan wants to purchase one land which is in the shape of trapezium. Trapezium, you know, what is the property of what are the properties of trapezium?
Sir, it has one pair of parallel sides. It has one pair of parallel sides.
Only one pair of parallel sides will be there in a trapezium. Okay, and in that one pair of parallel sides, look at this. Its side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. So the trapezium shape has got one pair of parallel sides. Among this parallel side, one side is along the river side, another side is along the road side, and they have given river side is twice the road, twice the side along the road. So let us write the diagram and then you will understand. So river side is longer than the road side. So first let us draw the diagram first. Okay. So let us take a trapezium in this way. We draw a diagram like this trapezium. This is a trapezium. So you can call this as ABCD is a trapezium. So in which let us write AB is parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD. This is the property here. Trapezium shaped field now. Now come back to this one. Here its one side is along the river. Its one side is along the river. It is given. So let us take this side. I will take this side as the river side. This is river. One side is along the river. I am taking this side as river. So this is river. Then this is the side along with this river. Okay, is it clear to all of you? DC is the side along with the river. Okay, the next one, then the other side must be along the road. So let us take this another side. This is a road. A road is along the side AB. So this side is road. A road is there. This side we have a river. This is the diagram we are getting. So look at this, AB and CD are parallel because it is a trapezium. These two are parallel, and this is the road side. AB is along the road side and CD along the river side. Now go back to the question now. And what is the data given? Look at this. And the river side, the side which is along the river is parallel and twice the side along the road. Twice the side along the road. River side is, this length is twice of this side. That means what is the meaning of this one? So here DC will be equal to 2 times AB. This is the meaning of twice the road side. The river side length of this trapezium is twice. Twice means 2 times. 2 times the length of the road side. River side is longer than the road side. And how it is longer? It is 2 times the length of the trapezium which is along the road side. So that suppose if I take AB is equal to x units. Let us take this is x units. Can you tell me what will be the length of CD?
The 2x.
Yes, it is 2x. So if I take this as x, then it will become 2x. If AB is equal to x units, then CD will become 2x units. So this is the length I have taken. So this is 2x, this is x. So along the road side, length of the parallel side along